dual cylinder, 2 loads, made in Japan, Honda Custom 250T. It's also called LA. So look at this wheels, man. It's pretty good. It's such a beautiful bike, and I already made a video about like this little guy. Check this out. All right, such a beautiful vehicles mixing together. Did I just say vehicles? These are motorbikes. It has a 2-cylinder, which is so pretty good. Look at the speedometer and all this stuff. Such a beautiful, man, like so damn good. Perfect. Like, oh, cruiser. All right. Something that I always wanted to do. If I do traveling a lot, then I would definitely do that. The Custom 250T LA. This is made in Japan though. Look at those kind of cool indicators. 2 lot ko bike. Look. Well, this is mine. Hero Honda CD100 Deluxe 1995. 5 lot ko bike. So I'm on my way to home. So let's go, baby. It's so freaking. Rolling Field 100 350. Woo! All right. KFC on the left, construction on my right, and I'm going back to the home, baby. Woo! Make some noise, everybody! Oh, I think we don't get the audio though. It's oh fucking god! Look at this thing, man. Do you have more classic cars here? No, it's this one. Should I go left or right? Because I'm supposed to go left. Let me quickly save the traffic. I'm going right. You know why? Because I like this Beetle. Is this a Beetle? Yeah. It's Kathmandu is so beautiful. Like when you talk about the classic cars, I have seen Mercedes, I have seen so many classic cars. Toyota, this is Volkswagen, right? I have seen Toyota, I have seen just like a Mustang. I have seen so many brands, but they are a bit weird though, Yeah, literally real bike. Bike? Did I just say bike? Yeah, real classic cars. So yeah, I don't want to go far away from this little guy. Like, woo. What was that? What was that? What the fuck was that, homies? Must be like a Ducati or something. I missed him. I missed it. But it was making a beautiful sound though. Alright. Okay, so I am following this little guy. I'm not supposed to say little guy, right? But yeah, but it is what it is, man. Like, it's beautiful. chassis are also cool though. Look at this EV chassis, like looks like a lady driver. No, it's a guy. His hair is kind of curly, man. Don't want to go far away from this machine, but yeah. Mitsubishi Pajero. You're my yo, let's go. Alright guys, alright. Is he coming? Nah, he's not, man. It's roughly 6 p.m. and more than that, so you know, like traffic is kind of crazy. Like, oh my goodness, I was kind of following that beetle, so I took a wrong turn. I'm supposed to go left, but it's okay, you know, it's totally okay. I get to see the beetle though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, baby. Woo! Such a beautiful sunset. Oh. Alright guys, alright, baby. Ooh, Tesla. I'm not a fan of Tesla. Not just because I cannot afford it, you know what I'm saying, but you know, tech is kind of, tech is kind of amazing though. Yeah. I'm kind of feeling like I'm rushing because whenever I see you know, something kind of excited on the road, I'm like, I don't care, okay, I'm just chilling, I'm just looking at it. I don't give a shit about the traffic though. Whenever I just see something kind of cool, you know, like last time I saw the Mercedes and it was looking so good and I was like, wow, that was kind of like my reaction. I also got that, you know, like on my phone though. I just did it on my phone, and I'm gonna drop that video very soon, within a week or something. And I see the Land Rover. Oh fuck, it was pretty like amazing. Like it was looking so fucking good, man. Like I don't know how to explain this, but it was looking really beautiful. So yeah, it's always like, you know, like good to see such a beautiful old classic and, you know, like well-maintained vehicle. When you talk about the, you know, like these are like made in like 1980s or 90s or even 1970s, like maybe like 1970s too. And condition is whoa, and condition is, you know, something that just place, and I'm not feeling good too, man. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful feeling of riding. So yup. Hey, lover. Oh, my, I see. Hey, lover. Oh, my, I see. Oh, hey. Like it's a good bike, man. Like a lot of people ride X-Post nowadays. Hero is kind of doing good job. I mean, looks like because there are so many. I think there are few models like X-Post 2, or maybe X-Post Pro, or whatever it is. I think there are like, oh my goodness, look at that. That turn was crazy. Hey, lover. Ashila, R-A-S-H-E-E-L-A-S. Ashila. Oh, whoa. What was that? What is this bike, man? This light looks good. इसको लाइट देखो तो मेरे मिरर में आने हो अशीरा traffic, then it's piece of shit. Oh, baby, baby. Even though I'm giving my indicator, even though people are getting mad at me because my indicator is not working, man. So